was thinking about Kasana.
You know how college goes, he goes, nice. You're skipping practice for a haircut? I said, yes, motherfucker. It's a metro practice. You gotta get like 2-3. Hey, someone here moving. We got kids.
Out here. We out here.
So,
Oh, wow.
There's one named Jimmy. He was looking for a size 15.
That's a movie. The broski. Gucci, my son popped out fly. Flee. It's lit. Everything burnt at this point. Flee.
Got that VIP too.
VIP.
Top 2.
Top 2, Buzzolini. Movie. What's good, guys? So it's your boy, Antonthegogo. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great today. You know, I'm doing great. Can't complain. You know, so I'm going to give you an unboxing review. And shout out to everybody that been following me, that been subscribing to me. Thank you so much. It's been a journey. This week been crazy. Woo! It's lit. I'm lit. Hey, it's lit. You know what I'm saying? We lit every day we lit. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessed day to be alive. And, you know, if you watching this, you're already winning. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter if you're getting money, if you don't matter. As long as you're healthy and you're able to watch this video, you winning already. You're winning. But, you know, I want to get into this unboxing because this week was crazy. Woo, crazy week. So, you know, you seen a little clip in the beginning, people, you know, lining up, you know, at Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they released Kobe. And I got 1 pair, 2, I got 3. Whoa. 3 pairs, that almost fell. 4. You know, this is a 9, size 9, and I got one last one. And I got a size, what size is this? This one is a 10.5. So I have in total 5 Kobe's. 5 Kobe's that I want to show you guys today. 5 pairs of Kobe's. So let's jump into it right now. And it is the Halloween theme. Ooh, skeleton blue Kobe. Now, let me know what your thoughts on these. You know, my thoughts is amazing. I think this is really nice. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, excellent craftsmanship. amazing. The blue matches, it's great for the Halloween, you know. Halloween about to come up. You know, I don't know if you guys celebrate Halloween, but these are Halloween themed Kobe's. And they never did that before. And also, not only that, but they glow in the dark. Ooh, ooh, smells so good. Ooh, ooh. Hey, ooh. Mmm. Oh, yeah. These smell amazing, guys. So, yeah, these are the Kobe, you know, blue. And it glows in the dark. The bottom part glows in the dark. I'm going to show you in the video. So, the bottom part. Yo, these are really creative. Like, you know, honestly, would I tow it? Honestly, would I tow these? These are not bad. These are not bad, honestly. I would, you know, I'm not a ball player, you know, but people wear it as fad. You know, you could dress it. You could, you know, these are not only ball sneakers, you know, you could dress it up, make it look fashionable. You know what I'm saying? I think that these are a good toe. I'm not gonna lie. These are a great toe. And I sold all of these pairs, so I gotta go ship them out to my buyer and go meet some of my buyers. Shout out to all my customers too. If you live in New York City, I'm here. Let me know. I can ship to you. I can meet up. Let me know. I meet people every day. You know, every day. So shout out to all my customers too. All my customers, shout out to you. All my global customers, shout out to you. I'll leave my information in the description so you guys can check out my eBay and my other social media platforms. But yeah, this was a great release. You know what I'm saying? Like, great release. It glows in the dark. Not only the bottom, but I believe this part glows in the dark as well. The skeleton part. So, which is really cool. These Kobe's, they did their thing on these. And blue is my favorite color, guys. So, blue is my favorite color. Absolutely. I really, really like it. These, I thought at first it was going to be ugly on photos, to be honest, but these did the trick, you know, and these was pretty limited. It came out on sneakers, it came out in Foot Locker, it came out in different stores, but not too many stores, so it's pretty decent. If you have a Foot Locker around you, I'm sure you was able to get a pair, honestly. You know, they did leftovers and stuff like that, so let me know if you want to know the source. I'm going to leave my Discord in the description as well. Click the description. You know, I'm going to leave my Discord. I have Discord. And I buy different things, guys. I do different things. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for watching. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, please subscribe. I got many heat on the way. Many heat. After this, I'm about to go, you know, go to Comic-Con. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go Comic-Con soon. And that's going to be another adventure. So every day is an adventure for me, you know. So I do this full time, you know. I do this full time. So I love what I do. And I love meeting new people and hearing different stories. And, you know, yeah, just hustle, don't give up. And the most important number one thing, always stay healthy, guys. Drink your water. Matter of fact, I'm about to drink some water right now. Yeah, really good, really good. And I'll show you guys a close-up of the Kobe's. But yeah, these Kobe's, amazing. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. But I'm going to see you guys later. I hope you enjoy. It's Antonthegogo. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. Woo! 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 Oh, damn, this smell. I love a fresh pair of sneakers. I love it. And this is how you know if it's not fake, guys. If you smell this sneaker and it smells like glue or that strong scent, it's fake. This have a nice subtle scent. So it's not like that, you know what I'm saying, material smell. It's like that subtle smell as like, you know, so that's two ways you can tell, you know. That's one great way of, you know, the smell of the sneaker to see if it's fake or not. But yeah, guys, and shout out to my boy Kid Rocket, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Kid Rocket cooked up. And if you want to see more, I'm gonna be working with many different people. And yeah, it's a journey, guys. If you want to be featured on my YouTube, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you want to be featured. And yeah, I live in New York City. Let's get it. Let's connect. You know what I'm saying? All love, one love. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to, you know, I'm showing you guys this because you can do it. You know what I'm saying? I had nothing. I had nothing before, and now I'm here. Thank God. You know what I'm saying? But the ultimate thing in life is never give up and always stay healthy. That's the number one thing. If you're healthy, you're good. I don't care if you broke. I don't care if you got millions. None of that matters. The only one thing matters is your health. I'm gonna tell you that. One thing. That's the only thing that matters is your health. If you ain't healthy, then you can't survive in this world. It don't matter if you driving in a Lamborghini or if you driving in a hoopty or a little Carrera. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter it don't matter where you going. We all got to get to the destination, right? We all getting to the same destination, right? So it don't matter what car you in. It can't fly. So why do I care or what car you got, or why do I care or what house you have? You can have a mansion but nobody in it. You could be the only one living in a mansion. So that's my thing. Just be happy with life and love life and love the people around you. Don't idolize these celebrities. Idolize the people that's around you. You know what I'm saying? That making a difference in your life on a daily. You know, I don't really look at celebrities, to be honest. I really don't care about celebrities. Like, you know, I don't care. They living their life. We living our life. And, you know, let's get it. Let's get to the bag, guys. Let's get to the bag. You know what I'm saying? Positivity. Always positive. And, yeah. Oh. I see you later. Oh, people calling me. Oh, damn. Who this? Let's see. Hello?
Hello, Brandon.
Oh, wrong number.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
All right. Yeah, people always calling me randomly. I do not know. Yo, it's crazy. But enjoy your day, guys. Oh. Go. Woo, woo. Hey, you feel me?
Buy ass, what's the price?
Facts.
Let's check the market.
Dang. Woo. Woo. Did a movie. Me and the bro did a movie. She. You feel me? We lit. Movie. Dang. I gotta take it.